Our campaign was called Saving 3, and it was basically a reaction to the fact we've seen so many students have lost their work at some point during the assignment process. And this year I thought it would be nice to try and be proactive and try and generate the idea that saving in 3 places, including the cloud, would be the way to go, so that they don't have to put themselves under that kind of pressure. We had a couple of different ways of doing it. We had a poster campaign that was based on, we went for very old-fashioned photos, black and white photos, and then put sort of modern sort of themes on it. It just dawned on me after talking to a lot of students that so many of them just don't ever think about saving to the cloud. They don't ever think that their work's going to go missing. I don't know why this is. I don't think it's complacency. I think it's just instant gratification on their behalf. And maybe because I'm like a bit older than them, I'm realising that what can go wrong and making them think that you don't have to put yourself under this pressure. They've all got access to cloud storage. It's free, it's relatively easy to use, and it just feels good to be able to know that you're sort of helping them avoid something which is easily avoidable, but they're not taking it upon themselves to avoid it. There's been people that we've helped with this promotion by pointing them towards saving to the cloud, who then have noticed us as an entity in the college. They'll start using us to take out fiction more. They'll talk to us. It sort of opens up a bit of a dialogue with people who wouldn't necessarily talk to people from behind a desk. I really enjoyed the whole experience. I took a lot of advice with the posters. I've got 3 teenage daughters, and they kind of told me what's cool and what's not cool to say, so I didn't go into sort of desperately uncool middle-aged territory. And I enjoyed making the animation and putting it all to music. It's been great fun, yeah.